I'm going to show you how to make my version of Bubba Gump Shrimp. Start by making a broth. Melt butter, add garlic, tomato paste, crumbled chicken bouillon cube, Cajun seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, sugar, cayenne pepper, black pepper, clam juice, water, and white wine. Simmer this for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, cook the shrimp with Worcestershire sauce, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, garlic, and paprika. Careful not to overcook the shrimp. They should only take 2 to 3 minutes. Then add them to the broth and let them sit for a few minutes to soak up the flavor. This spicy shrimp dish is great served with fresh French bread to mop up the flavorful broth. It's similar to New Orleans-style BBQ shrimp, but lighter and healthier. Serve either as an appetizer or as a main dish.